two elements react to form a compound or molecule, it's called synthesis. This reaction can be identified because two single elements come together forming one product. This reaction forms ionic bonds, metallic bonds, and covalent bonds. There is always, as can be seen in the chemical equation, one product.
Decomposition is a reaction in which a complex molecule breaks down into simple ones, such as a molecule breaking down into its individual atoms. This reaction can be identified by one reactant breaking down into multiple products. There is always only one reactant.
One of the elements in that compound. In order for this to happen, the single element must be more reactive than the element in the compound that it's switching places with. In the equation, on both sides, there is one element and one compound. Double displacement. When two different elements in a different compound trade places. In order for this reaction to occur, the reactants must be aqueous and one product must be solid, and the other product must be aqueous. Both sides of the chemical equation contain two compounds.
A combustion reaction is a reaction that consists of oxygen reacting with a hydrocarbon to produce water in either carbon dioxide or carbon monoxide. This reaction is always exothermic because heat is given off. You can identify a combustion reaction because a reactant is oxygen and the products are always carbon dioxide and water. An acid-base reaction is a reaction between an acid and a base. In this reaction, an H+ ion reacts with an OH- ion and forms water, or HOH, in an ionic compound. The compound with the H+ ion is an acid, and the compound with the OH- ion is the base. You can identify this reaction by finding the H+ ion and OH- ion to identify the acid and the base. The other ions in the equation will combine to form an ionic compound.